Welcome. If your Telegram groups are constantly buzzing and pulling your attention away, there is a simple way to make them less distracting without missing important updates. In this quick guide, you will learn how to set your Telegram group notifications to medium priority so you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you are inside, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this might be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can control everything from your privacy to notifications. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section gives you full control over how Telegram alerts you. Now, find and tap on Group. This is specifically where you can manage notification settings for all your group chats. Once you are in the group settings, scroll a bit until you see more options. Tap on it to reveal additional customization settings. Here comes the key step. Tap on Priority. You will see different options that control how prominently notifications appear on your device. Select Medium. This option keeps your notifications visible and accessible, but less intrusive than high-priority alerts. And that's it. Your Telegram group notifications are now set to medium priority. This small adjustment can make a big difference. You will still stay updated with your groups, but without constant interruptions or distractions throughout your day. If you found this helpful, consider checking your other notification settings as well to create a more balanced and focused experience on your phone.